Have you just gotten your first Husky puppy? There are many things a first-time owner needs to know about to make sure that your new Husky puppy is happy and healthy. This video will serve a complete guide on how to take care of your new Husky puppy. Before I move on with the video, I want to ask you a simple question. Do you want to train your dog for any basic commands like sit and stay? Do you want to stop any of the behavioral problems of your dog like pooping inside the house, biting, jumping, or barking? If your answer is yes, please grab the free Dog Training Secrets guide in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him or her. The Secret Training Technique ebook is available for free only for a limited time. So go and grab it before it's too late. Link to the free ebook and training videos is in the description below. How to take care of a Husky puppy. A visit to the vet. They will review what vaccines the breeder may have given your Husky. Most of the time, your vet will check your Husky's stool for worms and get started on a vaccine schedule. This is a standard schedule that most vets follow for vaccines. When do I need to get my Husky puppy vaccinated? At 6 weeks, your Husky will receive a distemper/parvo/parainfluenza vaccine and a kennel cough vaccine. The breeder usually does this before you get your Husky puppy. At 9 weeks, your Husky will receive a booster of their distemper/parvo/parainfluenza vaccine and a kennel cough vaccine. At 12 weeks, your Husky will receive a distemper/parvo/parainfluenza vaccine, a leptospirosis vaccine, and a canine influenza vaccine. At 15 to 16 weeks, your Husky will receive a distemper/parvo/parainfluenza vaccine, leptospirosis vaccine, canine influenza vaccine, and a rabies vaccine. During these vet appointments, your vet may also check a fecal sample to look for worms in your Husky's stool. Many of these worms are very small, but some you can see in their stool without a microscope. If you see any worms in your Husky's stool, make sure to let your vet know. When do I need to get my Husky spayed or neutered? Most vets recommend spaying or neutering your Husky puppy around 6 months old. Some people will wait until their Husky is a little older before spaying and neutering to allow their Husky to mature a little bit more. The American Animal Hospital Association, AAHA, recommended spaying and neutering before your Husky's first heat cycle. This reduces the chance of mammary tumors in females and eliminates testicular cancer in males. By not spaying your Husky, you are risking them developing a pyometra. Pyometra is an infection in their uterus that can be fatal if not treated early enough. Husky puppies recover from their spay or neuter procedure very quickly, where an older dog may take a few days. Surgery on your young Husky puppy will help them from developing significant problems later in life. While puppies can be adorable, overbreeding dogs has caused a lot of pets to end up in shelters and not in a loving home. Providing high-quality dog food. You will need to get high-quality dog food for your Husky. For your Husky to stay healthy, your Husky will need proper nutrition. Not all dog food will contain the needed protein and fats that are necessary for your Husky puppy's diet. There are many wonderful diets on the market. Most Husky puppies will need to be fed food that is higher in protein than adult food. When looking for a diet for your Husky, you should try to find one that has a protein content of at least 22%. You should also look at all the ingredient lists on the back of the bag. The first ingredient should be protein. It is even better if it is the whole protein and not a protein meal. How much to feed a Husky puppy? Some people will feed their Husky puppy a mixture of wet food and dry food as their teeth are starting to coming in, and once they have all of their teeth will switch them to strictly dry food. When feeding your Husky wet food, make sure to decrease the amount of dry food that you are feeding them, or your Husky can become overweight. Behavioral training and socialization. Potty training. There are 2 main ways that you can potty train your Husky. Most people will either crate train their Husky or potty pad train their Husky puppies. Crate training is probably the most common way, but people who live in apartments or people who live in an area where winter is very harsh may prefer potty pad training as they do not have to go outside with their dog. Crate training a husky. Some people may not want to keep their husky in a crate all day while they are gone to work. Usually, after a few days, most huskies will adapt to being in a crate during the day. This can even be easier for you, especially if your husky is making a mess all over your house or destroying everything in the house. By teaching your husky that staying in a crate is fun and not scary will not only make potty training more manageable, it will also help with vet visits and traveling. How to crate train your husky puppy. When you crate train your husky, you are using the principle that huskies love to be clean. They do not like lying next to or in their urine or poop. If your dog's crate is just big enough for them to stand up, turn around, and lay down, then they will not be able to use the bathroom in one corner and sleep cleanly and comfortably in the other. If you have a large breed puppy, you can still get a big crate and use the partition provided with a crate to block off a section of the crate for them to stay in while they are growing. Potty pad or paper training. If you want to allow your husky to have a place to potty inside your house, then potty pad training is a great idea. Potty pad training is excellent for people who work very late or people who are not able to make it home during the day to let their husky outside. This is also great for husky that lives in an apartment or in an area where winter is very harsh. By potty pad training your husky puppy, you are giving them a location that is approved to use the pee when you are gone. Sometimes potty pad training or paper training your puppy is not the best thing that you can teach your husky puppy. If your final goal is only to have your dog use the bathroom outside, then it is advised to skip the potty pad. Socializing your husky puppy. It is always best to start to socialize your husky puppy early. This is probably one of the most important parts of caring for your husky. Socialization should begin around 8 weeks of age. Most people will usually start with puppy classes. This is a great way that you can get your husky puppy around other puppies. During your husky puppy first few months of life, you need to introduce them to many different sounds and environments. Puppy classes will allow your puppy to learn many of the basic commands such as sit, lay down, and stay, as well as how to walk on a leash without pulling. During this time, it is always recommended that your husky experience different types of social environments involving people and their dogs. Final thoughts. Huskies can be fun-loving pets, but there are certain things that you need to do to make sure that they are started on the right foot as far as keeping them healthy. As soon as you get your new husky puppy, it is best to have a vet check them over and look at their vaccine history. This way, you can make sure that your husky puppy gets started with the necessary prevention to keep them healthy and happy. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient, and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique Guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel Little Paws Training if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.